By the power vested in me as the presiding officer of this 51st regular session, I call this session to order. Let us all stand for an opening prayer to be led by Honorable Recto Valeriano and remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Please stand for the opening prayer. Sa ngalan ng Ama, Diyosaki, at sa Espiritu Santo. Amen. Panginoon, salamat. Sa magayon na panahon, sa magayon na pagkakaigwa ni session sa niyan, sa pagipusan sa mo operasyon, sa na Vice Mayor Sambulan. Kagurangnan, sinabi mo, magkasaro, magkaduwa, yaong kapirmisa mo sa sentro, gabayan mo kami kan sa mong mga agenda. Agenda na para sa kooperasyon sa amo tabi bayan Sambulan, asin sa lambang saro man sa mo, na mayad na pangangaipo kan sa muya po tabing pagservice sa Banwaan Sambulan. Ang gabos na ini, naagami po sa imo, hanggang na matapos, ang sa muya po tabing pagtiripo na ini sa sesyon, gabayan mo kami sa samo po tabi pamilya, amigo, asin sa gabos na nasasalamuha na mo bilang servidor sa Banwaan Sambulan. Kagurangnan, ikaw ang operasyon, lambang kinigibumi sa samo po tabi Banwaan Sambulan. Hinahagad men sa imo kagurangnan sa ngalan ng Ama, Diyosaki, asin Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, telos ng sinakanan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyag ka ng magiting, sa manluluping, di ka pasisikin, sa nagatang tutok sa simoy at sa langit mong pangaw, ay hinagang tulad, awit sa pagkayang minamahal, ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nagtitindig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan ang may di magtitindig. Luman ang araw ng walhating pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang inigaya ng pagkay mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Thank you, Your Honor. Attendance to the 51st regular session dated July 6, 2026. Honorable Cheska Maybe Robles.
Present.
Honorable Attorney Danny A. Corsiga.
Present.
Honorable Guillermo C. De Castro Jr.
Present.
Honorable Renz Alergi Guelas. Honorable John Rainier C. Gordola.
Present po.
Honorable Geoffrey O. Asur. Honorable Vincent Tihao.
Present.
Honorable Lunita G. Guelas.
Present po.
Honorable Recto G. Valeriano.
Present.
Honorable Rodel G. Helilio.
Present po.
And Honorable Jerry Ann H. Gordola. Your Honor, I attest to the presence of quorum.
The chair declares quorum. Let's proceed to the reading and consideration of the minutes of the previous session.
Minutes of the 50th regular session of the 20th Sangguniang Bayan of Bulan, Province of Sorsogon, held on the 29th day of June, 2026, at the Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall, New Legislative Building, this municipality. Present were Honorable Cheska Maybe Robles, Honorable Danny Corsiga, Honorable Guillermo De Castro Jr., Honorable Renz Alerguelas, Honorable John Rainier Gordola, Honorable Geoffrey Azur, Honorable Vincent Tao, Honorable Unita Guelas, Honorable Recto Valeriano, Honorable Jerry Ann H. Gordola. Absent was Honorable Rodel G. Helilio. The regular session was called to order at 9 o'clock in the morning. The presiding officer, Honorable Cheska Maybe Robles, requested the SB members to stand up for the prayer and singing of the Pambansang Awit. The invocation was led by Councilor Vincent Tao, followed by the playing of the Pambansang Awit on audio recorder. The presiding officer requested the secretary to the Sangguniang to call the roll. The presiding officer declared the
Chairman.
presence of quorum.
Honorable Valeriano.
Since that everybody must have our agenda and of course our previous minutes of meeting. I move for the approval.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Valeriano, seconded by Honorable Corsiga. The minutes of the regular session dated June 29, 2026 is approved and adopted.
Next, Your Honor, is question R. We have no inquiry, Your Honor. May we proceed with the first reading and referrals of measures or communication?
Good morning. Nasa session ako ka.
Item number 1, proposed resolution number 2026304.
Opo.
A resolution authorizing the reactivation and updating of Land Bank of the Philippines, account number 2602-1084-41, maintained with the Land Bank of the Philippines Irusin Branch by the local government unit of Bulan, Sorsogon. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 2, proposed resolution number 2026305, Barangay Realignment of Zone 4, 450,000, Recto, 100,000, Zone 2, 170,035 pesos, Eneroque, 290,280 pesos, and Gate, 100,000 pesos. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 3, proposed resolution number 2026306, SK Supplemental Budget of Calumagon for 29,715 pesos and 86 centavos. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
To the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 4, proposed resolution number 2026307, SK 2026 Annual Budget of Sumagongsong for 770,191 pesos and 76 centavos. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
To the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 5, proposed appropriation ordinance 08-2026, supplemental number 004-2026, section 321, use of savings, other MOOE, conservation and preservation of cultural and heritage property, to MOOE, semi-expandable furniture, fixtures, and books expenses or other supplies and material expenses of the Office of the Tourism Officer amounting 1,200,000 pesos. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Proposed resolution number 2026, item number 6, 2026301, resolution granting renewal of accreditation to the Pantaleon Gigot Ladera Memorial Hospital Tricycle Operators and Drivers Association with office address at Sitio Pawa, Barangay Lahong, Bulan, Sorsogon for all its legal intents and purposes. Introduced by Councilor Geoffrey Asur.
Okay, Madam Chair.
Honorable Azur.
Okay, thank you, Madam Chair. Under the first reading and repairs of measure of communication, the item number 6, the proposed resolution number 2026301, resolution granting renewal of the accreditation of Pantaleon Gigot Ladera Memorial Hospital at Tricycle Operators and Drivers. So, Madam Chair, is considered as renewal, so I move for the adoption and approval.
Second
Second
motion.
motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Azur, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, Honorable Hililio, and Honorable Taguelas. The proposed resolution number 2026301 is approved.
We now go to committee report, Your Honor.
For our first committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Health, Population, and Social Services. Item number 1. Proposed resolution number 2026-300, resolution supporting the measles, rubella supplemental immunization activity or MRSIA on August 10 to 28, 2026. The recommendation of the Committee on Health, approval of proposed resolution number 2026-300.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Howe.
the proposed resolution number 2026-300, I move for the adoption. Committee reports.
Second
motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable House, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, Honorable Corsiga, Honorable Hililio, Honorable Linita Guelas, the committee report on the Committee on the Committee on Health, Population and Social Services is approved and adopted.
Our second committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Education, item number 2. Proposed resolution number 2026-298. Resolution supporting and endorsing the conversion to Kalumagon Integrated School of Kalumagon Elementary School, Barangay Kalumagon, Bulan, Sorsogon. The recommendation, approval and inclusion in the second reading of proposed resolution number 2026-298.
Madam Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gurdola.
Thank you po. Under committee report, and item number 2, proposed resolution number 2026-298, motion for adoption and approval po.
Second the motion.
Motion of Honorable J.R. Gurdola, seconded by Honorable Valeriano. The committee report in the Committee on Education is approved and adopted.
Our third committee report, Your Honor, is item number 4, submitted by the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
11.
Proposed resolution number 2026-297, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Mayor Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the municipality of Bulan, the contract of agreement with JGT Bait Consumer Goods Trading for the supply and delivery of office equipment for use at the Rural Health Unit in the amount of 1,384,620 pesos, chargeable against Special Health Fund. The recommendation, approval, and inclusion in the second reading of proposed resolution number 2026-297.
Madam Chair po.
Honorable J.R. Gurdola.
Thank you. Mark, diri sa mayon pa po ako na sa ROPA sa APRO. Number 11 po. Okay. Sige. Sige. So, for the item number 4 po, Madam Chair, proposed resolution number 2026-297, motion for adoption and approval po.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable J.R. Gurdola, seconded by Honorable Valeriano and Honorable Corsiga, the committee report in the Committee on Appropriations and Budget is approved and adopted.
Our fourth committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Good Governance, item number 5, proposed ordinance number 30-2026, an ordinance creating the plantilla positions of Veterinarian 5 or Salary Grade 24 and Municipal Government Assistant Department Head 1 or Assistant Municipal Civil Registrar Salary Grade 22 in the Municipal Government of Bulan, Province of Sorsogon, defining its duties and functions and appropriating funds therefore. The recommendation, disapprove findings po muna. Okay, so basahan ko po muna yung findings. Okay. Okay. The recommendation of the Committee on Good Governance, disapproval of proposed ordinance number 30-2026. Disapproval po.
Madam Chair,
Honorable De Castro.
before the approval and adoption, explain ko lang kung na kayo disapprove. During the committee hearing, may an HR non-executive sin mga plano na magbutang sin mga plantilla position, pero i-incorporate na siya sa ato annual budget. So, kaya nag-recommend ba ng executive na diri na yun i-push through. In the first place, diri yun ang plano na ra. More than yun sa nasa isip sa executive and diri aware ang executive na may irugsoon pala na proposal. So, hulato na lang po nato during sa pag-review nato sa annual budget. Dito na po nara ibuburutang yun ng mga positions na required, especially taban sa veterinary. So, Madam Chair, I move for the approval and adoption of the committee report.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none in motion of Honorable De Castro, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, the committee report in the Committee on Good Governance is approved and adopted.
Our fifth committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Good Governance and Appropriations and Budget, Joint Committee po. Item number 11, Proposed Resolution number 2026-264, Resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Mayor Cordola, to enter into and sign for and on behalf of the Municipality of Bulan a contract of agreement with NewGen FM 100.7 for the airing of the LGU program block time entitled Action Bulanenyo every Sunday from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. commencing June 2026 until December 31, 2026. The recommendation of the joint committees, approval and inclusion in the second reading of proposed resolution number 2026-264.
Madam Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you po. For the item number 11, proposed resolution number 2026-264. Renewal man lang po ini, Madam Chair. So, the same lang po ini sa mga nakaagi po nila na pag-apply, ano po sa resolution with regards po sa program, radio programs po sa LGU. So, motion for adoption and approval po.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, the committee report on the Joint Committee on Good Governance and Appropriations and Budget is approved and adopted.
Our next committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Agriculture and Fisheries, item number 10 and 31. 10 and 31.
10.
And 31. Proposed resolution number 2026-267, resolution strongly endorsing the conduct of two-day seminar training entitled Modified Basic Safety Training for boat captains and motormen of the Municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon, to be conducted by the Maritime Industry Authority, Region 5, appropriating funds therefore and providing support for its successful implementation. Proposed resolution number 2026-244, resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Romeo Gordola, to sign and enter into a memorandum of understanding with the Maritime Industry Authority Regional Office 5 for the promotion of maritime safety, security, awareness, campaigns, and shipping operations development in the Municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon. The recommendation of the Committee on Agriculture and Fisheries, approval of proposed resolution number 2026-244, and deferment of proposed resolution number 2026-267.
Madam Chairman,
Honorable Valeriano.
the result of the committee hearing is just to approve the memorandum of understanding while the 2 days seminar on both motormen was deferred for the reason that we have to approve first the memorandum of understanding, and then the regional office of Marina shall give another request for the sila po ang mahatag sa ato signal for the 2-day seminar sa motormen and sa Umarabay para ma-centralize po tabi ang pangangaipuman sa mga paraisda nato. So, Madam Chair, I move for the approval of memorandum of understanding while the resolution for the motormen and captain i-deferred muna po tabi, Madam Chair. Approval lang muna na po nato, Madam Chair.
Committee report.
Memorandum of understanding.
Motion. Motion.
Motion for approval, Madam Chair.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Valeriano, seconded by Honorable Helilio, the committee report of the Committee on Agriculture and Fisheries is approved and adopted.
Madam Chairman,
Honorable Valeriano.
I would like to request to the presiding officers, Honorable Cheska May, Robles Nang, and to the collegial body, according to the items number 27, na i-refer na lang sa peace and order and security para makahabol kita sa time frame. Naka-istorya ko naman po, Tabi and MT Kau.
27.
Ini po na
27.
an ordinance institutionalizing the annual celebration of the founding anniversary of the Municipality of Bulan and the Paris Immaculate Conception every January 1. Items number 27.
27 sa committee report.
Naka-refer.
Naka-refer sa
I-refer na lang sa
tourism.
peace and order.
Refer number.
Kaso, wala si ang chairman.
Wala po di panoan
Chairman.
committee chair sa tourism.
Dapat, aram
Ihapot ta po muna.
san chairman.
Yes, Madam
Apo,
Chair.
pa-inform ta po ang chairman since naka-refer po sa committee niya.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Ako committee. We will now go to the calendar of business, Your Honor.
Madam Chair.
Honorable Azur.
Okay, before to proceed for the calendar of business, i-clear ko lang po ini na item number 9 under the committee report. Kasi tapos ko na po ini na committee hearing.
Item na,
Number 9, the proposed resolution number 2026-279. Resolution urging to strict implementation of article number 19 of the Road Management Code of the Municipality of Bulan. Close parenthesis, ordinance number 2023-2 related to the use of pedestrian lane and the imposing of corresponding penalties for violation thereof. So, napasa ko na ini sa nakaagi, Mac? Na Opo ka. Okay, so,
Noted.
Next week mo na yun. Next week na lang.
opo, tapos na ko sini.
So we now go to calendar of business, Your Honor. For letter A, unfinished business, we have item number 1, proposed resolution number 2026-236 for review, Santa Teresita Barangay Ordinance number 001, series of 2026, entitled Ordinansa na nagbabawal sa sinuman na tawo na mapabakal sin lubi na wara sin ataman o pagsadiri na kalubihan nan inbabawalan man na nagtitinda san lubi na wara man sin pagsadiri o inlulukadan mawan mga paratangko bawal na kamo magparatangko kay wara mang niyan tangko kay wara mang bunga ang lubi ang mga pisaran sa lubi na yadi sa barangay inbabawalan man sira magbakal san lubi na hali sa tangko nanan magkuha sin lubi na wala sin permiso hali sa taksadiri o tenant asintagan sin parusa ang sinuman na madakupan na mabayular sini na ordinansa introduced by Councilor Rodel Hililio.
Honorable Hililio.
Okay, Madam Chair, the proposed resolution of Barangay Santa Teresita. So, in pa-amend po nato ini. So, nag-submit naman po sa draft. So, I motion for approval, Madam Chair.
Second
Second
motion.
motion.
Any objection? Hearing none in motion of Honorable Hililio, seconded by Honorable Lenita Guez and Honorable Valeriano. Proposed resolution number 2026-236 is approved.
Item number 2 is proposed ordinance number 22-2026, an ordinance prohibiting the act of being topless or half naked in public places within the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon, introduced by Councilor Attorney Danny Corsiga.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Corsiga.
yes, we are still waiting for the comments of the PNP with the proposed amendments that we submitted to them. So with that po, I would like to move for its deferment po.
Second motion.
This item is deferred.
Letter B is business for the day, Your Honor. For item number 1, proposed resolution number 2026-303, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement with accredited civil society organizations for disaster risk reduction and management purposes.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Valeriano.
since this is a business for the day, the items number 1 and 2 and also from my committee for the peace and order and security and disaster and calamity. This is very important to us by this resolution number 26303 as authorizing the municipal mayor Rumi Gordola signed a memo agreement with accredited civil society organization for disaster risk reduction management purposes. And item number 2, proposed resolution number 2026 as a certified urgent to make our disaster risk reduction management council resolution number 4 series of 2026 for the recommending the enactment of an ordinance establishing the barangay disaster. So, Madam Chair, I move for the approval of these two items.
Any second to the motion?
Second the motion, Madam Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Valeriano, seconded by Honorable J.R. Gordola, proposed resolution number 2026303 and 2026302 is approved.
Item number 3, Your Honor, is proposed ordinance number 31-2026, certified urgent. An ordinance establishing the Barangay Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Seal of Excellence in the Municipality of Bulan, providing guidelines for its implementation and appropriating funds therefor.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Valeriano.
since this is business for the day, the items number 3, proposed ordinance number 31226 as a certified urgent. An ordinance establishing the Barangay Disaster Risk Reduction and Management under the BDRRM Cell of Excellence in the Municipality of Bulan, providing guidance for its implementation. Funds thereof. Move for approval, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
Negative tabi, dili tabi siya pwede ipa-approve. Dili tabi siya pwede magbatog sa second reading. All ordinances, even tabi certified urgent, dapat mag-undergo sa 3 reading rules. So, dapat magbatog po siya sa first reading. Apo.
Yes.
Honorable Don De Castro.
Ordinance. Allowed Madam Chair, imbasa ko tabi ng ordinance, nakabatang dito na mahatag kita sin award sa mga barangay or incentive sa performance nila. So, ang query ko lang po sa author, allowed ba na gamiton an 5% calamity fund sa paghatag sin award or incentive? Kasi maon contents ng ordinance eh. I-allow sa Sangguniang Bayan na humatag kita sin mga award worth 50,000, 30,000, and 20,000. And ang source of fund is general fund out of the 5% calamity fund. Mm-hmm.
Would the author like to comment on the query?
Actually, Madam Chair, during the MDRRMC meeting, we have a standby fund for the board funding, which is the Cell of Excellence of the Municipality of Bulan. This is providing for guidance for the implementation. And we have the standby fund for the quick response fund and other sources from the Pirana percentage and up to MDRRMO na pwede man makuha ang tabi sin fund for these matters of awarding of excellence of those barangay who are actively participating on this excellence, Madam Chair.
Opo. Bago po kita magdiretso, kaipuhan po paano ini, dapat nasa first reading siya, nasa IRR taman po. Section 43, letter B, all ordinances shall follow the 3-reading rule as prescribed by law, and Article 107, the letter C of the IRR of the Local Government Code of 1991. Every proposed ordinance shall be accompanied by a brief explanatory and so on. So dapat po nasa first reading po ini maski certified urgent po siya. Then i-refer po siya sa
Committee.
committee bago po makakadto sa second reading.
Noted, Madam
Opo.
Chair.
So i-refer ta po muna ini sa Committee on Public Safety
Yes.
Appropriation po, Madam Chair.
and Appropriations and Budget, the Joint Committee on Public Safety and Appropriations and Budget. And supposed to be nasa first reading po ini.
Next item, Your Honor, is proposed resolution number 2026292, SK Realignment Budget of San Francisco for 144,141 pesos and 73 centavos, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Madam Chair, tabi.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you po. For the items number 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 po. Motion for approval for the second reading po.
Second, the motion.
Second.
Any objection? In motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Valeriano and Honorable Azur. Proposed resolution number 2026-292, 291, 290 is approved.
So, ano pa ito, Your Honor, ha? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Apo.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Apo.
Or
So,
pati po an appropriation ordinance number 06, appropriation ordinance 05-2026. Approved.
we now go to item number 9, Your Honor. Proposed resolution number 2026285, resolution approving the new accreditation of Babs Toda with office address at Barangay Pabrika, Bulan, Sorsogon for all legal intent and purposes.
Okay, Madam Chair.
Honorable Azur.
Okay, the item under the business for the day, the item number 9, the proposed resolution number 2026285, resolution approving the new accreditation of Babs Toda with office address at Barangay Pabrika, Bulan, Sorsogon. So, Madam Chair, I move for the approval.
Second the motion.
Madam
Second,
Chair,
the motion.
Honorable, how?
before the approval, okay na si di igsuan ano, paradahan nila sa sentro.
Oh, nagkato na sindakan, ano? Ilana.
Okay, Madam Chair.
Motion of Honorable Azur, seconded by Honorable Limita Guelas and Honorable Valeriano. Proposed resolution number 2026-285 is approved.
Item number 10, Your Honor, is proposed appropriation ordinance number 07-2026, supplemental budget number 002-2026 from savings on buildings and other structures, construction of solar streetlights, Barangay Pabrika, to other MOOE or Barangay Augmentation Fund of the Office of the Mayor, Executive Services, in the amount of 2 million pesos.
Madam Chair, tabi.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you po. For the item number 10, proposed appropriation ordinance number 07-2026, motion for approval po for the second reading, tabi.
Second, the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, proposed appropriation ordinance number 07-2026 is approved.
Item number 11 is proposed ordinance number 29-2026, an ordinance retitling the position of Municipal Government Department Head 1 or Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Officer to Municipal Government Department Head 1 or Local Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Officer in the amount in the Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office, this local government unit.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Dandan de Castro.
I move for the approval of proposed ordinance number 29-2026.
Second, the motion.
Second the
Second the
motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, motion of Honorable de Castro, seconded by Honorable Azur, Honorable Corsiga, Honorable Valeriano, Honorable Linita Guelas. Proposed ordinance number 29-2026 is approved.
Item number 12 is proposed resolution number 2026278, review the now Barangay Ordinance number 006 series of 2026 entitled ordinansa sa pagpatupad ng paggamit sa covered court sa Barangay Danao, Bulan, Sorsogon para sa kaayusan ng paggamit nito sa pampublikong benepisyo para sa tao. Introduced by Councilor Rodel Hililio.
Honorable Hililio.
Okay, Madam Chair, under the business for the day, the 8 items, proposed resolution of Barangay Danao, number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, motion for approval, Madam Chair, but the items number 19, motion for them approved, Madam Chair.
Second the motion.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Hililio, seconded by Honorable Corsiga and Honorable Valeriano. Proposed resolution number 2026, 278, 277, 276, 275, 238, 237, 235, 2 and 200 are approved.
Item number 20, Your Honor, is proposed resolution number 206186, resolution granting new accreditation to the United Fishermen Association of Sorsogon with office address at Zone 6, Bulan, Sorsogon for all legal intents and purposes. Introduced by Councilor Joffrey Asul.
Honorable Azur.
Okay, Madam Chair, under the business for the day, I move for the approval.
Second the
Second the
motion.
motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Azur, seconded by Honorable Corsiga and Honorable Valeriano. Proposed resolution number 2026-186 is approved.
Item number 21, proposed resolution number 2026-299, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign for and behalf of the municipality of Bulan a contract of agreement with BCBR Prime Enterprises for the supply and delivery of medicines to be given to indigent patients in the amount of 4,995,179 pesos and 50 centavos only, charged to the general fund.
Madam Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
For the item number 21 po, proposed resolution number 2026-299. Kanina po, sinertify po sa ako kanina ni Mayor na may available fund po ini na para pambakal po sa bulong na 4,995,179 pesos and 50 centavos. So, mahali po ini sa general fund po sa Mayor's office. So, motion for approval po, Madam Chair.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Valeriano. Proposed resolution number 2026-299 is approved.
Item number 22, proposed resolution number 2026-295, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement for the grant of financial assistance to the 3 volunteer teachers of Calpi Integrated School, Bulan, Sorsogon.
Madam Chair, tabi.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
For that item po, number 22, proposed resolution number 2026-295, motion for approval po for the second reading. Ang budget po sa ni is 100,000 para po sa tulo na teachers from the Calpe Integrated School. So, ito po na tulo, volunteer teachers po sila. So, mayon man po sa nag-certify man po ang DepEd na wala sila available na pondo para sa tulo na volunteer teachers. So, ang pondo po sa ni, mahali man po sa Mayor's Office, 100,000. Nagkakantidad po sin 3,700. Each tabi.
Hanggang
So,
sa pagtapos.
hanggang sa December. Tama.
December.
So, motion for approval po for the second reading. Madam
Second
Chair.
the motion.
Second the
Madam Chair.
motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Corsiga and Honorable Valeriano. Proposed resolution number 2026-295 is approved.
We now go to the business of the third and final reading, Your Honor. Item number 1 is proposed ordinance number 27-2026, an ordinance approving and recommending the renaming of San Isidro National High School Tuluela, Gutladera, Alcoba National High School. Author was Councilor John Rainier Sigordol.
Madam Chair po.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you po. For the business on third and final reading, item number 1, proposed ordinance number 27/2026, motion for approval po for the third and final reading.
Second for the motion.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Azur, Honorable Corsiga, and Honorable Valeriano. Proposed ordinance number 27/2026 is approved.
Next item, Your Honor, may tabi didisin pakihuron an mga an sakanay.
Sa Isidro.
Ano?
Kabuga.
Ay, Barangay Obrero po palan. Ngayong panutabi kita sin pinasar na resolution na mautabi niyang title. Resolution respectfully requesting the Honorable Mayor Romeo A. Gordola to grant financial assistance amounting to 20,000 pesos as augmentation fund to utilize for the subdivision survey of resident beneficiaries of Camp Village Homeowners Association awarded with residential lot at Purok 1 of Barangay Obrero, Bulan, Sorsogon. Nakihuron po sara, as per advice ni accountant, na kung pwede ko tabi, mabutangan ang title sin resolution authorizing the Honorable Mayor Romeo A. Gordola to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement sa kanila for the grant of financial assistance amounting to 20,000 and so on and so forth. Okay po sa iyo. Butangan ta na may mowa kaya panutabi ini na involved. So wala man authority si Mayor dito na hinatag kita sa previous resolution. So naguhuron sa base tabi ko no pwede mabago ang title. Pabutangan na sin authorizing mo si Mayor. Nagtugot naman na tabi si Mayor pa no.
Madam Chair.
Honorable Dondon de Castro.
Diri bagan in suggest na intiro na pagmahatag si Mayor sin financial assistance. Kaupon na diretso na i-authorize siya to enter into a MOA para di na nabalik-balik. Or awat na po yun. Kaya ang nangyari kaya bagatabi, may ma-request kan Mayor. So ma-request si Mayor sin i-authorize siya maghatag financial assistance sa kun kanino. Then pag na-approve ng Sangguniang Bayan, ipaprocess na. Pag abot sa accounting office, inaayuan na sin MOA. Kaya nag-suggest kita sa to na intiro na financial assistance, i-include na tabi na diretso na to allow or authorize the mayor to enter into a MOA. So,
tapos pag may barangay government, ano mo buta?
So kung awat na po yun, ano?
Ano tabi ni sa November 2025?
Ama, wala pa talaga sa soon. Kaya parang niyan lang kita sa to na taon nag-adjust na para medyo mapalaks ang proseso.
So kung tugot po kamo, ibabagohong ka title sini, the same ang gihapon, tapos mapirir magihapon tabi kamo. Same and date, binago talaga ang title.
Kung ma-motion, yan sa pitcha.
Maano lang ako, mayo lang ako sa permission sa iyo kung matugot tabi ka. Okay tabi, wala man sin objection.
Revision. Kasi an essence sa resolution naman talaga is maghatag sin ano, di ba? Kung
baga nag-request kita, nag-request ka mo si Nikan Mayor, nagtugot naman si Mayor, pagdara niya sa papeles sa inayuan siya mo, may MOA kaya may authority. So kung okay na po sa iyo, di bago na lang tabihan himo. Salamat tabi, Your Honors. Tabi. Tapos mayon man tabi didisin for information. Executive Order number 108-A/2026 from the Office of the Provincial Governor, amending Executive Order number 108 series of 2026 by lifting the temporary restriction on official travel effective 01 July 2026 while maintaining prudent and judicious approval of government-funded travel. So, lifted na tabi ang travel ban.
Pwede na
Let's go! So, another announcement. Ay, sorry, nalimutan ko. New business for the next session, tabi, Your Honor. None? We now go to announcement, Your Honor. Na-announce ko na yun. From COA, Annual Audit Report for the year ended December 31, 2025. Ang general information po is qualified opinion. Another is from COA Management Letter on the Compliance Audit on the allocation of LDRRMF and alignment of AIP, financial plans, and budget with LDRRM plan. The auditor found that the municipality did not comply in all material respects with Section 21 of Republic Act number 10121. We now go to privilege hour, Your Honor.
Madam Chair, for my privilege hour.
Did not comply.
Good morning to our Honorable Vice Mayor Chiska May Robles and to my collegial body. Madam Chair, niyan po tabi na loanees bago mag-flag raising ceremony. So nagkaigwa po tabi sin announcement si Administrator Jonah Rodriguez na ginana sa Pilipinas and or dinis approve sa Pilipinas ang 9-1 sa China sa West Philippine Sea. So I would like to request to the collegial body na kitaan ma-sponsor sa yato na ginana nato sa China about yung 9-1 sa China. So masuporta kita sa saro na importante na nakakuha kita sin pangganahan sa West Philippine Sea na is suportahan talang po tabi ito na sinabi sa ato administrator na saro na resolution nahali sa all SB members na yato tabi na West Philippine Sea effective July 6 hanggang 12 ang independent na dineklarasyon Pilipinas against sa China. So in address to the municipal administrator, kuhaan ko na lang po tabi ito na reading of during the flag raising ceremony para ihatag ta sa SB Secretary na madrap na sa ato mga proponent as a member of the collegial body na nagsusuporta lang kita dito sa ginanahan sa Pilipinas na dinis-approve ang 9-1 sa China dito sa West Philippine Sea. So dahil man tabi ni Madam Chair na bearing sa ato local government unit mo especially ta sa Sangguniang Bayan na masuportahan po tabi ni ato yato na saro na resolution na dinidis-approve sa Pilipinas ang 9-1 sa China. So mo lang po tabi, Madam Chair. And another, nagnangalas ako kay kita ang nag-approve sa mga travel nato, Madam Chair. Pag-abot sa travel ta, halimbawa Iloilo, nano ang proseso son? Ma-advance kita or ano sini? Okay, kung wala man kita budget, di ba kita makabot sa Iloilo? Pero masakit man dyan sa ano na to?
Madam Chair.
Usually, inaabot na.
With regards tabi sa pag-cash advance, allowed man siya as long as wala kasin mga unliquidated cash advances. Pag clear ka sa accounting, kay ano yun mandated yun sa DBM, na kung mayong kasin diri pa na-liquidate, diri ka pwede tagan sin another cash advances.
Opo. So, yun
So,
lang
abonar.
tabi. Yun lang tabi, Madam Chair.
Abonar na lang, non-refund mo. Pwede man abonaran, then i-refund.
Chart.
Gusto ko ta magupod man, kaya lang wala man ako simbag. Thank you, Madam Chair. That's all. Thank you to my collegial body and to our presiding officer, Honorable Chiska May Robles ng.
Ni Karen, about sa West Philippines, abstain. Abstain ako kay in Chinese ako. Marawai, di ba? Tanhaw. Tagalog. Bahala ka mo, magpirma.
Your Honor.
Honorable, Sir Chin, Honorable.
Okay tabi sa iyo na i-include ta sa agenda yan to na request ni Karekto.
And support.
So, mahimo kita sin baga resolution supporting, expressing support dito sa
9 line.
sa decisions on arbitral committee.
Actually, Madam Chair, abato na ba gayon na desisyonan?
Sa UNCLOS. Bagan nagakaigo niyan sin bagan bagan
Support?
bagan expression of support, bagan nag-request. May nabasa ako na hinatag sa DILG sa sa pinasa ni Ma'am Conchi sa group chat sa mga department heads. Bagan specific sira na yan na nagre-require sin expression of support dito sa decision sa UNCLOS. Di ko lang nabasa yan to na So kung okay tabi sa iyo, i-include ta na lang, tapos mapirma na lang tabi ka mo. An author tabi is all SB members. Okay po. So, may mamove tabi sa iyo, son.
Madam Chair,
Honorable How.
pwede yan auto saro-saro kay may imo dito ang pangarang ko. Chinese liwat ako.
May mamove tabi sa iyo.
Motion, Honorable Valeriano. Seconded by?
Move for approval. And
I second the motion.
No any objection?
Pilipinong Pilipino.
Hearing none, motion of Honorable Valeriano, seconded by Honorable Guelas. The manifestation and the resolution introduced by Honorable Valeriano is approved.
We now go to adjournment, Your Honor.
Motion to adjourn, Madam Chair.
second.
In motion of Honorable House, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, session adjourned.